SalonDivaV in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest as I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom.
Welcome back to another video. So today, y'all, I am doing a little cleaning in the garden. I am reclaiming the section of my garden because shrubs and weeds and trees have taken over my garden. I'm cutting everything back, opening everything up to get rid of any hiding spots for critters or anything else that could hide and scare me while I am trying to be productive in my garden. Nothing like a little dance break, y'all. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Fun fact about me, I love music and I love to dance. So this area right here is going to become my composting section where I can throw all of the leaves, the scraps, and everything back into this section to turn into healthy soil. There's already some healthy soil back here because there's some old branches and previous leaves and stuff that I had started in this section, but I let it overgrow. And now I'm back to reclaim this area. So right now I'm digging up some extra broccoli plants that I have in this section, and we're going to put them into another garden bed. Here's a little worm cam for y'all. So hopefully by cleaning up this area, this will keep critters out. I haven't run into any snakes. I haven't seen any more of those disgusting looking possums. So hopefully keeping everything intact, cleaning these branches down will keep that at bay.
I gotta say, 6 minutes to get French your own.
I mean, y'all, look at this. Full-grown trees. If I wanted these trees to grow, they wouldn't grow. But this soil back here is quite healthy because I once grew in this area, and then I started just throwing grass and old food scraps and everything in this area. So let me know if you have an area in your garden that you are dreading to clean up. So y'all, the closer I got to this fence and these trees, the scarier I got. I mean, this video is sped up, but y'all should have saw how slow I was attempting to cut this tree down, just thinking something was going to jump out at me. It don't make no sense how scary I am. Every time my husband comes in the garden, he scared me. But I think he does that on purpose, y'all. He really do. It's all good, though, because one day I'm going to scare him half to death. I'm going to get my payback. But back to this area, y'all. I'm sweating so hard. I have color running down my face. Work hard, play hard.
Big extra long, but still good looking.
All right, y'all. So that's going to be it for this section. I'm just going to use this section for my composting area. Let everything break down over in this section and cut these big stems off. Well, big rooted trees off right there. Oh, now the sun want to come out again. Trying to block this right here also, because there's a cat that always wants to come in through this area right there. I don't know, I might put something else, maybe some, I don't know, cats climb, so I don't know. But I definitely want to close that section off. I don't want nothing, if anything got to come in here, they're gonna have to climb. So yeah, I'm going to look up and see if it's okay for me to trim this fig tree right here. I don't want to mess with this monster right here. It has grown successfully. When I first bought this tree, y'all, it was dormant. I thought it was dead. They had 2 little figs on this tree. It was a stump. It wasn't even a tree. It was a one little, let me show you guys, because that section has died off and it's grown back. So it was this one right here. That's all it was. It was a little taller than that. And it sat out in the winter, that entire winter, because I didn't know what to do with it. And it didn't do nothing. And I think J3 told me just leave it alone and it'll come back. And I did. I put it in the pot that next year. And last season, I put it in the ground last summer. And when I tell you, that's the results. That's the results. So yeah, so I feel accomplished on that little section. Now I gotta accomplish this here. I'm gonna have to get something or somebody, some manpower for this thing right here. This is called a sugar bush or sugar tree or sugar berry. I think it's a sugar berry. And that sucker ain't produced nothing but daggone growth. So it's time for it to come down. And then tackle this area. It's hot out here already, y'all. It's 5 o'clock, or probably 6. And I'm hot and I'm tired and I ain't did nothing. So, ooh, my magnolia tree is starting to get bigger. Let's check it out. She's starting to get tall. Oh man, I'm tired. Is that a flower? No, just leaves. Maybe it might be. It looked different from... No, it was start from a bud. What am I thinking about? I don't know. Oh, we got a berry. We got a berry. So if I pull this one off, maybe it'll produce some more. Because can't nobody eat this little bitty thing. Put that back in there for some fertilization. All right. That's it.
Give up,